So we have installed our Pro version and activated our key license. Now I will show you our advanced feature. So let's go to direct checkout. And from here, in advanced option, you can enable the hide select option button from here. And there is also more function in one page checkout. Here you can use the checkout layout. There's the option with 2 columns, 1 column, or product first then checkout. So let's try with 2 column, product and checkout, and click save changes. Now let's go to our shop page and reload the page, and let's buy now a product. And our checkout is coming with 2 column. Thus you can apply more layout from here. Our next option is floating cart. If you enable the sticky cart, then you can use the cart checkout behavior. From here you could go with direct checkout or pop-up checkout. So let's go with direct checkout and click save changes. As this option is our pro feature, so let's go to our site. Here is our sticky cart. If you click here, here's the checkout option. Let's redirect to checkout. Thus you can choose direct checkout like pop-up checkout. So we have more option in quick view. At first you need to enable this option, and in pop-up manage in quick view content you can enable the social sharing, which you can only use in your pro version. And there is also model size. You can choose small, medium, large, full. You can go with also custom, and there are option for loading effect, how you want to view the quick view content. You could select fade, slide, zoom, or none. So let's go with small, and it's fade. Okay, click save changes. Now let's visit our site, and if you want to quick view now, it's coming with pop-up, and there you can see the option for social sharing. From here you can directly share through social. That's how it works. So let's go back to our plugin dashboard. We have more option in advanced settings. Here you can enable the mobile optimization, and we have another option close on add to cart, which is coming soon. We have also analytics integration. If you enable this option, you can add event category or event action from here. And below we have also load script option. From here you can select the option. You can go with all pages or WooCommerce pages only, or you can also select specific pages. Our next option is features, and here remove product button and force login before checkout. These two options is our pro feature. You can enable or disable this option from here. Our next option is add to cart. In add to cart, at first you need to enable this option, and you can select the button style. We have 5 kind of button style: default, WooCommerce style, modern style, rounded style, minimal style, and custom style. And from here, modern style and minimal style are our pro features. So let's click modern style, and from here you can choose the button color, text color, hover background color, hover text or border radius, font size, and can also choose the button width. It could be auto full width, or you can also add custom width. Our next option is checkout form. You can edit each of them from here. You can visible or invisible this option. You can also edit the title, also the description, and also choose the placeholder and button text. You can edit each of the options from here as you want. Our next option is text manage, and there you can add text for cart, subtotal, placeholder, complete your purchase using the form below. In advanced settings, we have trust badges configuration. This is our pro feature. You can enable the trust badge, and from here you can choose the badge position. It could be above checkout form or could be below checkout form and next to payment methods. So let's try with above checkout form. You can also choose the badge style. It could be horizontal row, quick 2 columns, or vertical list. So let's go with quick 2 columns. And there's option for secure payment, and this option is for icon. You can choose the icon. And here are option for text. You can edit the text, and you can also add new badges from here. From here you need to choose the icon like stir, and the text could be rating stir. I have just added this option to show you how it really works. And let's visit our shop page and reload the page. So let's buy now this product. Our batch configuration option is above our checkout option, as we have set here. So, and it's coming with grid 2 columns and secure payment, 30-day money back, privacy protected. These 3 options were added before. We have added the rating store. Thus, you can add more items here. So that is all our plugin features, and we have tried to cover all the free and pro features. Still, if you have any question, you can view our documentation and can also read our FAQ section. Or still, if you face any issue, then you can contact our support. So thanks for watching the video.